10-year anniversary celebration of the dynamic modern law firm Cambridge Solicitor LLP and the launch of Noor Jahan Foundation was held at the head office of Cambridge Solicitors, Warwick Road, Tyesley, Birmingham. It was hosted by both business partners Famida Ahmed and Kamila Rahman. The aim of the event was to bring awareness to the community about domestic abuse services for male victims. Keynote speakers were Councillor Waseem Zaffar, Councillor Mumtaz Hussain, Barrister Sham Uddin, Aamir Sahar, Noor Jehan Foundation, CEO founder, and Mustafa Mohammed. The event was concluded with a cake cutting ceremony. SM Irfan Tahir, World News, Birmingham.
Last 10 years, when in my practice, the statistics here show that, especially in particular in family law, I represent 98% of men who have suffered some sort of domestic abuse. It could be through immigration, it could be through child contact matter, it could be financial, it could be emotional. We set up with the mindset that we will be helping women in particular. However, I'm not saying that abuse has a gender. It's genderless. Regardless, we are against any type of abuse. But what our statistics here at Cambridge Solicitors show is that we represent 98% of men. We have grown organically, and we have provided services out there in the community by word of mouth. We've got a name, we've got recognition, and what we've done, we've showed that after 10 years, 2 women here can do it.
Many people have partnerships and they fail after 2-3 years. Alhamdulillah, my partnership with Famida will be lifelong. We have no problems. When we do have a problem, we argue, we fight, we shout, and then the next day we say, let's have tea. As a woman practicing law in a solicitor's firm, at first I was told it's going to be very difficult for you to open a business. Very difficult. There's so many male solicitors. But mashallah, we've set up and we're growing and we've done really well and we've become very successful in this field.
I want to pay tribute to Cambridge Solicitors and the team here for organising such an important issue to discuss the needs of the domestic abuse victims. Not only women who are victims of domestic abuse need support and they absolutely need support, but men who are also victims of domestic abuse need to be supported through the criminal justice system too. So all victims of domestic abuse need to be supported, and perpetrators need to suffer the consequences of the law of the land, and that they need to be put through the criminal justice system with the support of fantastic organisations like Cambridge Solicitors.
I think it's a very good initiative that they're taking here at Cambridge Law Solicitors in terms of like doing this for the men that get abused. Men that get abused is a taboo in society, especially in the Asian community. People don't talk about it, and it is a huge problem in the Asian society. I commend Cambridge Law Solicitors for bringing this forward, and if anyone does suffer, please do approach them. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.